Hi guys, welcome to another new episode of Thailand travel series. Well, today is my second day in Krabi and today is my fifth day in Thailand. Well, in the previous vlog I have shown you the night market of Krabi and also the hotel we are staying. So if you haven't checked out, then please go and check. I have added the link in description and iCard on the screen. I have also shown you how to travel from Koh Phangan to Krabi. So please check out because it is going to be very useful to you. Well, today in Krabi we are going to do some island hopping. So we have booked an island tour package from a nearby shop. Again, I am adding that footage here. So guys, you can book island tours from any such tourist shops like this. There are many shops like this throughout the Krabi town from where you can book. So it is 12:30 p.m. and we are going to be picked up at 12:45 p.m. So we are waiting for it. We are ready. We are going to do a 7-island tour and I'm going to show you what all we have in that tour package. So stay tuned till the end of this vlog because this vlog is going to be adventurous and exciting because we will be doing some snorkeling. So stay tuned, relax and enjoy the vlog. We booked the 7-island tour, which included sightseeing of 7 different islands, along with snorkeling at 2 different sites, swimming with bioluminescent planktons, and this package also includes dinner. This package includes also pick-up from hotel and drop-off at hotel, and this total package had cost us 700 baht per person. So a tuk-tuk picked us up from our hotel and after a 15-minute drive, we reached the pier where we had to pay an additional national park entrance fee of 200 baht per person. Now this is a mandatory national entrance park fee that has to be paid by all the visitors. And then we picked up our snorkeling equipment and we were ready for the 7-island tour. So guys, this is the pier. Also we had to pay 10 baht extra as a cleaning fee. I don't know what cleaning, but we had to pay. I guess it was a entrance fee for this pier, I think so. Well, this is the pier from where we are going to take our ferry and do the island hopping. Guys, this is our first spot for the day. We are at Railey beach. It's a very famous and commercialized beach, I would say, at Krabi. And here we have a Phra cave and a temple inside, so we are going there. And this is the beach and we came by this boat, long tail boat. Then from Railey beach, we walked towards the Phra cave, which was a very short walk of 10 minutes or so. So guys, this is Phra cave. From the beach you have to walk for some time to reach Phra Cave temple, and there are lots of monkeys here, so I'm really scared. So you have to be very careful with your belongings. So guys, after walking like for 5 minutes, we reached here. This is also a part of Railey, or you can say this is Phra beach. I think this is Phra beach, and that was Railey beach. And here you have a temple. Let's go and check out the temple. So Railey Beach is a beach like any other beach in Thailand, and Phra Cave is built of limestone mountain and the cliff, which also has a fertility temple that is worshipped by the Thai people. It also has a beach called as Phra Cave Beach, which is good for a swim or to enjoy with any other activities on the beach such as cliff climbing, sunbath, kayaking, see the sunset and etc. This was Railey Beach along with Phra Cave and Phra Cave Beach. So this was the first spot. It was very near to Aonang, Krabi, from where we just boarded our ferry. It was just a 10-minute ferry ride. It's a very nice place, small beach. It's a very small beach, and here, as you've seen, that there's a small fertility temple. And this beach is also known for its sunset views. People usually come here to get the sunset, but I just felt that this place is very crowded and a little bit commercialized because there are lots of restaurants, cafes and all. Yeah, otherwise it's a nice place. So guys, this is the next spot. This island is called as Tup and Mor Island. So that's Tup or Tup Island, and this is Mohr Island, and these two islands are connected by this sand bay or sand bank. Sorry, it's low tide right now, that is why you can see the sand bank. During high tide it is not visible. These are the long tail boats, and just look at the scenery around. So guys, this is the same island where the movie Kaho Na Pyar Hai was shot. If you remember, the island where Ritik and Amisha were both stranded, and then the title song Kaho Na Pyar Hai was also shot here. It's the same island in Krabi, Tup and Mor Island. Very pretty. Next we visited the chicken island. Like you can see here, the cliff gives the shape of the chicken's head and hence the name. But here you cannot get down to this island. Instead you have to click pictures and see it from the boat. So guys, we have come for snorkeling and you can see so many fishes. This is the snorkeling area. Well, I'm not taking my phone, so I won't be able to shoot inside, but trying to show you here. Just look at it. So many fishes, colorful fishes. So guys, we snorkeled near the chicken island and then next we came to this island called as the Taming Island. This was the second site for snorkeling. Well guys, I could not film underwater, but I must say snorkeling here is a must. Believe me, you will see colorful fishes, starfishes, corals, sea anemones and many other sea creatures. So if you visit Krabi, then snorkeling is a must-do activity. So guys, this is the next island for today and this island is called as Poda Island and it is very pretty. This is my second time here and last time when I came I got a very beautiful sunset out there. But today it is a bit cloudy, so that's why there are less colors in the sky. This island is very pretty and I would say the best in this island tour, Poda Island. So guys, I heard a lot from people that sunset is best seen from Railey beach, but guys, I would say sunset is best seen from Poda Island. This is my second time here and both the times I got to see beautiful sunsets where it seems like somebody has painted the sky. So I recommend you to come here for sunsets, and apart from sunsets, this beach is also a lovely white sandy beach ideal for sunbathing, swimming and snorkeling. Guys, just look at the sunset. So pretty. It is. So guys, we came back to Railey beach for dinner and as you can see there are lots of beach cafes, live music. It's a bit commercialized beach. So guys, basically after Poda Island, we were taken to a spot in the middle of the sea where we saw bioluminescent planktons. Those sea micro creatures that radiate blue light. I'm adding the picture here so that you understand what I'm talking of. But the sad part is that my camera could not capture it because it was completely dark there. But yeah, just for your information that this tour package includes swimming with these planktons. Then we had some delicious dinner at the Railey beach and then we headed back to the hotel. We ended our day by having some Thai crepes at the Ao Nang food market and believe me, it's delicious. You should try this out. That was it for 7 Island Tour in Krabi. Please subscribe my channel if you liked my video. I will see you in the next vlog. Take care. Bye.